Today I'm going to show you how to navigate Google Finance. Google Finance is a tool that lets investors research companies that they potentially want to buy into. So this is the home page of Google Finance. I will do a quick runaround of the page. So in the middle is going to be all of the news, either general market related, or related to your portfolio, which I have. These are my companies I'm currently in. Over here is going to be recent quotes. So say I want to look up Palo Alto Networks. I would click it right here, go back to Google, and it would be right here in my first recent quote. Over here is going to be, like I said before, your personal portfolio of companies that you might be in, or companies that you just want to keep an eye on. Over here is world markets of all the different countries, currencies and bonds at the bottom. Right here is market sectors, so energy, basic materials, financials, healthcare, technology. So you can see how that's doing day to day based on the sector. So let's go into a company. So everyone knows Google. We'll go into Google. So the thing that sticks out to me the most is the graph and the big bold numbers. So this is the stock price. And since it's after hours, it's not moving. And this is the after hour price if you're into after hours trading. So Google is currently down 50 cents after hours. Over here is going to be the range of the stock today. So Google's low was $842.50, and Google's high today was $852.62. This is the 52-week range of Google. What Google opened at today, $851.08. Volume of shares in the market that Google has, a market cap, the price to earnings ratio, which I will get into in a later video. Same with all this stuff. Over here is Google compared to its sector and the NASDAQ and the Dow Jones. Over here is news on Google sorted by date or relevance. And you basically want to look over here to get some information on how analysts or certain companies think Google's doing, how they think they're going to do in the future. So this is a good place to get relevant information. Over here is the graph of Google's price over 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, 3 month, 6 month, all the way up to 10 year. So you can track the price that Google's been at. So when Google started, let's go to all. They were about $52, and now they are obviously $851. So let's go down. So these are going to be related companies in the same sector as Google, like Yahoo, Microsoft, Apple, in the technology sector. Over here are events that are coming up for Google. Like on January 26th, they recently released their quarter 4 earnings. And other news will be over here in the events tab. Over here is the description. So when you look up a company and you don't really know what it does, you just want to go down here to see what they do. These are the heads of Google and some of the people on the board. The website link to Google, their blog. And next thing I want to show you is where to find a company's financials. And finding a company's financials is key to making smart decisions in the stock market. So it's going to be over here on the left-hand side. Just click financials. You can view a company's income statement, their balance sheet, their cash flow that they're bringing in. So let's go to their balance sheet and take a look at their assets versus their liabilities. So in general, you want to buy into a company that has much greater assets than they do liabilities. So let's see, their total liabilities for Google is $28 million. And by the way, this is all in millions. So $28 million in liabilities, and let's see their total assets. Total assets 167 million. So obviously quite a bit more assets at 167 million than liabilities at only 28 million. So this is a great place to do some research on companies that you're buying into. So that was just a quick rundown of Google Finance. Let me know in the comments section if you would like a more in-depth review of Google Finance and what you would like me to go over.